Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 GMC Acadia Denali all-wheel drive, stock number X718XX. 36,000 miles on this one owner, white frost in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive limited lifetime powertrain warranty. Seat 6, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Thick skylight overhead with sunshade. Middle row seats are also heated with rear heat and air conditioning to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, forward collision alert, with backup camera and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for two drivers, height adjustable power liftgate control, power seats along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large easy to read gauges. It's also where you set the forward collision alert, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible, navigation, separate rear heat and air control, backup camera, as well as forward camera. 3-zone automatic temperature control, heated as well as cooled front seats to keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and all-wheel drive lock for the greatest capability in inclement weather. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's material inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter V6, 310 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Acadia, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.